Hello, my name is Stefan Suter, and you may wonder what this is. The fact is, I have an important job in my company. Well, it's not exactly my company, but it's the company where I work. Without me, there is nothing that gets done. That's why there is always a bit of the office with me. It's always there, no matter what I do. You have to be on your toes if you want to make it to the top. But it's essential to separate business and private life. Hello? 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 Work is not everything. Compensating is important. But you have to be ready, of course, all the time. Sure, if you're important like me, it's not always easy. But all in all, I think I've got it under control.